morning, everybody. Check out this view of the garden. Anyway, today is the next day. It's our official second full day here. We are probably heading back to Tokyo today and probably stop off at a couple of thrift stores on the way home. But yeah, I just want to give a big shout out to Mark and Nikki again for always showing some love to us and hanging out. It's always a good time seeing them. It's kind of crazy. I was just thinking about it last night that we know them because of cars. We know them because of just social media in general. And we wouldn't have met them if we didn't start doing social media. And we're from different places on the world, on the map too. So it's I just had an epiphany as we were walking around Don Quixote looking for bug sprays. Man, we know these people just because of cars, which is crazy. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and pack up, probably eat a little breakfast, and then head out towards Tokyo. But again, I just want to give a big shout out to Mark and Nikki again for showing us some love. Look at this cool table. We can put our feet down.
It's not really comfortable for me though.
Well, it's comfortable for me because we can sit down. Look at this room that we're in. We slept on tatami floor, but look at this blanket. It's like a pillow. It's like a giant pillow blanket. It's so thick.
We're at the first McDonald's of our stop. We're gonna get breakfast here. So we got a couple of things. We got a breakfast sandwich, the ebi shrimp nuggets, and then Kaylee got a Happy Meal. So everything came out to 1,600 yen.
She acted like she just read this. She acted like she just read this.
I did just read it.
Okay. Look at my breakfast. Cheeseburger.
Is that the hamburger patty or is that a sausage patty?
A hamburger.
Oh.
Bite.
It has a different sauce in it.
Really?
The bread is a lot fluffier. And we also got orange juice in this tiny little cup. And then the shrimp nuggets.
That's why I thought you didn't get shrimp because I was working.
Yeah, shrimp nuggets are good.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't want to die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story.
Here we go. We made it. We're officially at the next location. Look at all these guys stealing the vlog. Oh, we gotta take off our shoes, remember that? Yeah.
Mine's already off. Just both the doors are open. See.
It says no smoking, but it smells like smoke in here.
Oh, they have super spray.
The cleaner was just smoking the whole
I
time.
know, yeah.
Wow. Who's this? Who's this?
It's up there.
Oh wow. Who's this?
Let's see.
Wait.
We have a little yard.
Yes.
We have the whole place.
3-story house. What?
Here we go.
Oh, this one.
Here we go. The shower. They got the squat shower. Cherry. And cherry. Alrighty guys, that's it. That's what our Airbnb is right there. It's gonna be home for the next, what, 4 days or so? Here we go, we're playing chicken again. Playing chicken again. Playing chicken again. Ah! finally made it to the flea market, guys. Let's see what we can find.
Where?
Right over there.
There's so many shops here, so I guess we're gonna start at one side, walk to the end. Hopefully I can find something really good, but there's a lot of stalls here, so we're gonna do a big sweep and see. Hopefully I find something cool. Oh, there's even uncovered. I thought it was only in here.
No, it's huge. Oh, they got nails. Places like this normally like overstimulate me, but it's very cool to see. This is a really big like second-hand market,
Yeah.
flea market, but they all got like quality stuff. That's the thing about Japanese people, man. They take care of their stuff. Or you guys can walk out and just look. One more look.
I just found this rack of purses and it's only $2,500. But isn't that such a good deal? Is it here? Oh, okay. Kaylee found a purse. It fits perfectly. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yay, Kaylee got something. I also got something too. I got a chrome hearts bracelet. It's super cute. It has little dice on it. We just finished walking on the outside, but it's starting to drizzle a little bit. So now we're walking underneath inside the parking lot. But I haven't seen anything really yet.
Oh look, 1,000 yen. That's sick. This one is. There's a ship. 1,000. I think you should do it, dude. In my opinion, even if it's for not for the challenge. Yeah. Look at the old sushi. What the heck?
It's starting to get windy and rainy. We're on the inside of the parking garage, but there's all the slits in the top, so all the rain is still falling through. Ah! It's coming down. So I've been wanting to go to a grocery store since we've been in Japan, and this is our first one. It's really close to our Airbnb, but it's a really nice one. So we're walking around because we're gonna find some lunch. We just came back from the swap meet. We didn't find too many things because it was raining. They have samples of Yakult. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oishii. Oh no no. Oh, gomen. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. That's what Kaylee's choosing to get. They have meat sushi. I kind of want to try this. I've been looking for these at all the convenience stores, but I can't find them. But I finally found them at this one. It's just the regular white mochi with the azuki bean on top. Which one should we try?
I might just get the regular salmon.
Regular salmon? This one's the regular salmon?
The last one.
Ooh. Is that one salmon and kombu? Is it?
Yeah, that's.
Okay, I think I want to get one of those. Thank you. This hand roll set looks really good. I'm also gonna get this sushi set.
That guy's so sick. So sick, dude.